Python, recursive check to determine whether string is a palindrome. My task is to define a procedure as _palindrome that takes as input a string and returns a boolean indicating if the input string is a palindrome. In this case, a single letter should return true, as should an empty string. Unfortunately, I'm not getting the expected results. I appreciate the help. My code version 1. I followed my code through the debugger and it seems the logic is correct as the code takes the appropriate path. However, the end result seems to switch to none for some of the cases as highlighted above. If I change my code to the following. My code version 2.
In your first example, you forgot a return statement. Needs to be in your first version, or in your second. Otherwise, you never actually propagate the recursive call's return value back to the original caller.
Let's step through your second example, line by line. In this case, let's let s equals ABBA, which is the first string you got an error on, is evaluated as, which is false, so we skip ahead to else. This if statement is equivalent to it's true, so recursion happens. Or now whatever is the result of this recursion, we ignore it, because the return value is not saved. Thus, when we get to this line, we never defined what result was, so Python flips out. Other posters already did an excellent job of answering your question. I'm posting to demonstrate the importance of tracing a program to find/fix bugs.